Good morning, good wine zone, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day. We are here at D&D Cycles in Pensacola, Florida. We are here because the Triumph Tiger needs a 12,000 mile service to get her ready for a long way around Alabama. Whoa, look at that old car right there. Old Chevy. I'm gonna say that's that's mid-60s, maybe 64 Impala. I'll go up there and check it out. But anyway, let's get inside because it's like 98.5 degrees here today. D&D Cycles was recommended to me by John Skinner, my friend that runs the Triumph shop at Auburn, Alabama. And John's father worked on my motorcycles when I was at Auburn. And then a few years later, when my son was at Auburn, John worked on his. So I called John and I said, John, I want some valve, look at my valves and stuff. John said, I don't work on those new Triumphs. I'm a sort of a vintage guy. And so he referred me to D&D Cycles. So we rode the bike down here to Pensacola, and they're back there taking care of it. Now, this is just part of their showroom. Got a bunch of new Triumphs, and I should not stay in this area for very long, and I'll show you why. This is a 2023 Bonneville T100, and I will tell you that this is the same color of the 50th anniversary edition that they came out with back in 2009, I think, that we recently saw at Barber's. Look at that blue color. That is so pretty. So we're going to look around a little bit around here. Now look here. You talk about a Tiger. There is the new Tiger 900 Rally. Man, that looks good. I don't know, what's its capabilities above mine. I don't know, but look at those brakes. The Brembo brakes on there. That thing is set up. Got here's your big boy. Here's your big 1200. And we've got, just to show you around a little bit. Now this, let's see what this is here. This is pretty. I guess this is for sale. This is a 71 Bonneville. Look at that. The Bonneville is Smoking Hot's favorite motorcycle. I need to buy her another one day. Now look at this back here. Now I'm wondering, I'm gonna need to ask. So I'll tell you a little bit about the ownership of this place, but I'll tell you right now, it's owned by Robert McClendon, Robert Julie, and their son Rob also works here. Now somewhere around here is Robert's 1957 bike that he raced. I don't know what this is. This may be it. I'll ask Robert in a little bit. So take a look at this article here. This is an article from Pensacola newspaper in 1991, where the shop had already been in business for almost 10 years. I believe it was opened in 82. And then this is an article of Robert's racing. Talk about Robert, the son, a bit of racing that he did. All right, so it's a huge showroom. There's a huge showroom here. Now this is all the Triumph area, which really, what else do you need? But then we come back here, we've got some nice used bikes, a bunch of used bikes. And then I believe somewhere in here is a Ducati showroom. Look at this back here. This is pretty cool. These are a lot of scooters. The Europeans love their scooters. And this is a European bike shop. So, and then we've got the service area next door. That's where my Tiger is right now. So it's a nice family shop, and Robert even told me that he raced against John Skinner. So we're going to talk about that. So there you go. Hang on, and we'll get to talk to the folks.